Hey, what's up guys, how are you all? This is Ram and you're watching Infinity Explorer. Welcome to 2022. I wish you a happy new year to everyone who are watching this video. Hope this year brings happiness and make your wishes true. So it's giveaway results time. Thanks for watching the previous video. I got a good response for that video. A lot of you guys commented, and so let's pick a random winner from the comments and give away the jolo chip. If you didn't win this giveaway, don't worry, more giveaways are on the way. So let's go to the comment picker. So this is a comment picker and you can see this picks a random comment from all the comments. I got around 58 comments. You can see the additional information in the website. So this is asking for a link. Let's go to the channel and copy the link and paste it here. They given some more filters for the comments, but we don't need them. Just filter duplicate comments and start it. So it's showing 58 comments. Let's start it. Congratulations Satvika for winning this giveaway. I will reply to your comment on the video itself and pin the comment, and I will give you my mail ID, so reply to that mail ID with your address and all, so you will get your jolo chip. Let's try some more random winners. So if you got your name in the comments by random comment picker, congrats, you may be the next winner, or just keep trying. I will continue to do giveaways, so stay tuned to the channel, do watch my videos and share your opinions in the comments and like the video, and if you like the concept, try sharing this video to your friends. This is the first video of this 2022. Hope this year becomes one more good year and brings a lot of subscribers, views, and thank you very much for everyone who is watching this video, and let me know what are your views on this video. Meet you in the next one. Until then, keep exploring infinity. Once again, I wish you a happy new year. Bye bye.